Hey Steve, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I had the privilege of speaking with Jennifer, who thought you'd be really interested in this video I'm about to show you. Gonna have a couple tricks that I'm gonna show you on ways that you can improve your website and start bringing in more organic traffic. So, as you can see, we are on your website. Um, Looks like a basic website. Okay, so the rule of thumb is Google wants to see on your homepage a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words, and that breaks down to 150 words for every buyer intent keyword. And you also need to have more content than your top competitors. um, Content is key when it comes to ranking and helping your customers to find you. So you want content that focuses around local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords that customers are actually going to be searching for when it comes to finding your service in your service areas. If you service multiple areas, you're going to need a separate page for every service area that you service. If you have multiple services or different types of services, each of those will need their own page as well. Google does not rank your website based on appearance. They use robots called crawlers that go out on the internet and go through every one of your pages and index them and the content for your keywords so that when a customer does a search, they can put your website in front of their eyes. If we look at your top organic competitor, we have Advanced Health and Safety. They have a nice website. They have a little bit more content, but not a whole lot. So these guys should be relatively easy to beat content-wise. You just got to make sure that you have more content and that you go after those keywords. If you need those additional pages, you need to add those as well so that your website in whole has more content than your competition in each of your service areas. So this is a program we use called Ahrefs, and it helps us to analyze how your website is performing. As you can see, your domain rating here is a 9. That's out of 100 in the Google Trust Flow, so that's not terrific. But that is because you only have 17 backlinks. So you need a lot more backlinks, and you need more authoritative backlinks. Because you don't have a whole lot of content, you're only being indexed for 8 keywords, and you're only generating about 2 people on average to your website per month. If we look at your competitor, they have a lower rating, a 4.4 for their domain and 23 for their homepage. What that says is all of these backlinks, 894, are being pushed to the homepage instead of throughout all their pages and service pages where they belong. And having 894 and having these low ratings says that majority of these backlinks are bad, spammy, and no-follow backlinks that actually hurt you instead of helping. So you're going to need more backlinks, but you're going to need much higher quality backlinks. Because they have more content, they're being indexed for more keywords, and they're seeing 58 people on average per month. Now, just a brief overview on what a backlink is. It's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to that website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant that website is that's linking to you, the more authority it has and the more power it's going to give you. And it's going to help you to rank faster in Google. And these backlinks are closely tied to your content and keywords. So they need to be attached to your homepage and additional service and location pages if you have them. And the last thing I want to talk to you about today is the Google Maps. So your goal here should be to be in the top 3. If your Google My Business page is not in the top 3, it's going to need to be optimized. This spot right here is where 30% of customers go and won't go any further. So if you're not in the top 3 of the Google My Business or Google Maps, you're handing your leads to your competitors. Now, in order to get to the top 3, there's multiple different factors, but the biggest one is called citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Yellow Pages. And so you're going to need a lot more citations than your top competitor to get in the top 3 and maintain that spot. Now, if you follow these tips I've given you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for your services and keywords. And you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can apply the information I've provided you and do it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask you to go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. But if you should decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done and you don't want to have to worry about it, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon.